What do you understand by this course?
Okay, so the first week we had to move around in space and see how our body reacts to space. And we did a couple of assessments and we had a performance done by the end of the week. The course is body in space. So for you to work with space, you need to know how your body is related to it.
Gave me the basic understanding of how we can relate our body to our surrounding space and how we can use our body parts when we created that form wala thing, like how we can combine our body parts with each other and like we can actually create a form, and how our different body part function and how do we relate our body part to the space around us and how we can actually create a space around us with the help of our body, with the help of other things.
So it was a totally new experience for all of us, especially because it was the first time we had to do anything such as a performance in a space.
So we used sound, drama techniques, dance moves. We choreographed all of it ourselves, put together the sound, and so it was a new thing for lots of people. And working in a team was interesting. So we all had differing ideas.
We got to know each other also a lot more better. So I guess it was a good experience.
It was fun. It's really different experience because instead of measuring space, we actually had to experience space. We actually have to see the transition of the space.
Why you selected regression topic and you people performed?
Regression, when we created the space and when we decided that we should have a storyline for the whole act we choreographed, so we thought that regression, what we showed was that how the human evolution, like what we were earlier like as animals, then we developed into human beings, our manners, our habits, it all changed. And the thing is, we still have an animal inside us, in each of us, which comes out at times. So we have basically evolved from animals, then we are human, there's the whole journey, but we still have that animal inside us.
We actually wanted to show how human regress from human to apes. It was basically the transition from like how human keep on building and building and building, and then when they are satisfied they again want to do something new. So for being ape, for them it's like something new. So we wanted to show the regression. We actually wanted to show because of like human want something to do new, but we imitated animals. Because of that we actually took something like that.
Okay, why you people chose t-shirt for this body and space course?
So basically,
Because it was easily available in the hostel rooms. And
we basically needed to create a space with a lot of mass. So it was something that was flexible and easily available. We could have asked anyone and they would have had a show.
with the t-shirts we could use the button masala technique also, which Anuj Sharma taught us.
So it was easy.
Basically, we thought of a cloth, but then we thought, we can get t-shirts easily from everyone in the campus. So then we were asked to bring like 500 t-shirts, but it wasn't flexible. So we approximately got like 60, 70 on the first day, and then we started doing the button masala technique.
So there was no damage, no wastage. So
So we had 2-3 options. We had the dupattas, we could have used the bed sheets, we had t-shirts and everything. So it was easy for us to get like colorful t-shirts. So many t-shirts. We collected around 150 t-shirts. 150 t-shirts. So what we decided then ki t-shirt would be very good. T-shirt would be fine because you have so many like sleeves and then the body part and other sleeveless t-shirt, long t-shirt, then round neck and everything and different colors. So at last we decided that we'll use t-shirt to create the space. Because dupatta and bedsheet, they were all one cloth without any section or without any sleeves or anything like that. It was one complete cloth. That's why we decided that we'll create the space with the help of t-shirts.